Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, big up yourself, Crosses.
Who God sent on Instagram for come body friend and gifted. My girl gifted in a way to show them real colors and what they are. Always. I'm always a question it and I say, God damn, I'm me the problem. Something terrible. But when I look into it, I gotta work and I shall not question God. God, remember say God a hear things where we human being can't hear now. Cause when him don't say what him have to say on phone and talk about this young lady and bitch her up and all them something there and come off of the phone with me and go call she now. God are the only one can hear them couple mile away conversation there, you know. And like God I look into it and say, Bumbo clot, I really this. You see me I say? Gifted as a general, we go through so much in our life. Have up as a friend. You see me as a people. So it's not complaining. We just a surely learning lesson for people for learn. When God remove people out of your life, never complain. Never complain. Never ask why. Never try to run back. Never try to run back. If you reach a point in your life where you have to give somebody a suck your mother special, ready to go at and ready to suck your mother off the bat, off the grid, no looking back. Make them all the one they move up. See me I say? Yeah man, so as when me I say, you see all the way the nigga you talk about the girl like you. But I never look upon this blood clot girl, yeah. You see me, I say, even upon the life. When Cash Queen, when me I run like a joke, I say, as you know, say me and you can run a threesome on her. And him I say, no. You know, she said the girl need help. That was his exact word. Him say, gifted, the girl need help. I would have never touch her because me no want she call rape on me. So, it's like me confused now, because I'm like, huh? Now you say something like, oh, you chastise the girl, but then you look and you off her pussy. Make it make sense to me. Make this shit make sense to me. But, as I'm saying, nah question God, you know. Nah question God. Hold on there. Me hear one little foot run up and down in my kitchen. Bed, now, door closed, sleep. Yeah man, as me say, nah question God. Nah question God. I have been through enough for God send look for me as a gangster send fucker people come around me to be a friend. To be a friend. Yeah man. Me go through too much in life. Me go through too much in life for God. For God now have my back right now. Me fight for my position on this earth. Me fight for that. Me fight for that. Right there so. Me fight for blood clot that when the man did that try kidnap me for go rape me. You see me I say? Me fight. Me end up take a human being life out of self-defense. Me never get right. And another thing is some company grandma me hear them people you tell me about, oh gifted, you are this, you are that. Me never get right before, so me not expect you to give me right. I'm not expecting that much of you. Me never get right. Me I fight for my life and I fight for somebody not to try and rape me. I'm accidentally taking life. And you know what the judge do? Look upon me and say guilty. Guilty. So, me not expect none of uno None of you for run out and say, oh, gifted is okay. No, baby. I'm used to this. It's something I have been through. I have been down this Bumbuckler road. I have been through it. My skin thick. I am, trust and believe, my skin thick. I've been down the road there before. In a real life. So them like a push games I wanna play per internet and team this and team that and rare. Oh please. Yeah. But as me I say, never question God. God remove people out of your life. Cause God see everything, knows everything, hear everything that you as a human being can pick up on. Right this so. No say. Me did let down my walls and my barriers for confining somebody who I think is a friend. Yes, Papa? Go get me pampers. Alright, some baked chicken in the night, 5 o'clock, you know?
I go dream like me. Hey, Capone. Add Capone. Carry in there, your bed, where Capone I do.
Let's say, and I bed Capone supposed to be. Bed
Like
is supposed to be in a Capone.
Capone a fight for you, she can screen it to Capone a fight for you, and a fight for love, and
Yes,
I never see Capone fight, so now run a joke, man. Yeah, I'm gifted, him a fight, no care him this,
what?
anybody feel gifted, man. I didn't blabber, I didn't post. I got my love Capone. We have to go send something for Capone.
Yeah.
Capone, yeah, happy. Right?
Come, put time pampers. Climb up.
I'm just wake up.
Yeah. Come climb up. Come no.
Capone, come here.
Oh, I wipe say I take out for me. You want me wipe your butt? Yeah. Okay, come on, climb up.
Oh,
3-year-old.
smart.
What is hurt? Oh. Papa
That's still well.
Papa got a poop? Yeah. Okay, climb up. Climb up.
Let us see.
Oh. Come now, climb up now.
I touch you, Nene.
Dida. Tutu. Tutu.
You say tutu.
I know I said tutu.
Let me see. Come up with the big backlash juice. Give it to me. Come.
Up. Put up
Hey,
foot.
come, come. We have to call the big backlash juice.
Hold on.
Where mom? She gone?
Oh, sorry. Oh, I see what happened now.
Top it down there. Top it dear juice.
Oh,
This
you got the run.
Tumbe?
You got the run, boo
Alright, grandma, come downstairs.
No, sorry.
Hold on. I'm gonna get you a different juice. Bring down, you can't listen to dialogue.
I see.
Mama.
Oh, I see. I see what's
Let me see what it's
wrong.
for, yeah.
Lord. Here, go put this in the garbage bag, Mama.
Let's shine. She's not working. Come here. Tell him hello.
Hello, big guy.
Say hello.
Hello.
No.
I can't see her.
No, they can't see it. Nobody to see it. Look what him go in the fridge go take out it. It have to dilute. You can't chew this. She go for this. Bring come give me.
Okay, go to bed. Good night.
Spider-Man.
Bedtime.
Spider-Man.
Elsa.
Elsa. Elsa and Spider-Man.
Go in the bed.
Elsa and
Close your eyes.
Spider-Man. Say hello, auntie.
Hello, Auntie.
You have to go to say you cannot see her.
Hello, Auntie. Hello, Auntie.
Me nah give him nothing, I take it back if I got show you. No, this is it have to dilute, let me see. You go for this big bottle of juice.
Oh.
If it show.
Maybe pour for him.
No, you can't show it for him. It's too dilute.
I'm Dino.
It's too dilute. Stop fighting me, Trinity. Yeah, bad girl. Me go tell Jesus Brown. You see, she they are fight me. Ooh, let me see help. Help. Let me see help. Help. Let me see help. I let me where all you want are the Jew.
Mom.
Yeah, let me see. She beat me up. Let me see. Ooh. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, you're growing strong. Jesus, she's strong, you know.
Mom.
Yeah, come. Stop. Stop act up your granny body.
Mom.
Yeah, stop. Stop abuse your granny. Let me see, take your dolly. Take it.
Good
Give
night,
me.
Capone. Go and get your rest, Capone.
Let me see, stop. Let me see, tell Trinity, stop. I'm gonna come, go on, come and carry it. Go down, go get your drink. Come here, I'm gonna get juice for you, come. Not this one, let Trinity let it go. This one have to dilute.
I'll go drink it all.
No, I don't care if you wanna drink it all. Let me see, get your book, my grandma read for you.
Yeah.
Take up one of your reading book and I'll read for you. No, you stay where they're going to your room. Going to your room. Leave legacy book. Leave him
On
book.
this one side of your face.